here we are, Twisted Trails Trail Master Challenge.
Woo!
Jason, last minute as always, still working on his cat.
Hey, you know what? I didn't work on it when we got up to Balsam Lake, and I wrecked it.
It's a good point.
If I work on it till the last second, I'll do good today.
So, yeah, him and Spencer here did a custom seat install out in the parking lot here at the race. So,
yep, trailer deck seat install.
Yeah. So yeah, Scoot's getting his numbers on. Cat's all together. Vern's trying to kill me because she won't get out of the way. Woo, look at that. Yep, Turbo S. So we're gonna go register. All right, time for qualifying. You get one lap. Instead of 1.5 turns, it's basically just 3 quarters.
I'm guessing he's going to get a 137.
That front driver's side front clunks every time there's a suspension. All right, time for the race. It's an 1.5 hours long. You got to run as many laps in that time frame as you can. It starts out 4 cars per row, and they're spaced out every 15 seconds.
slow line, but it's way faster.
over here.
That one going up that big hill.
Yeah.
It's so much quicker.
Like, it says easy, right? And I'm like, okay. Well, first lap I took it, I'm like, that sucked compared to when I went in practice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how I got ahead of you that one time. And I'm like, he's got to still be ahead of us.
Here, wipe your face off.
Yeah, you were way behind it.
Yeah. Only calm down.
Hey, guess what? I finished a race.
Woo! That's almost more exciting than me winning.
It is. I'm really excited. Not only is it the first lap I finished in 2019, I actually finished the race. Good job,
Oh,
Cat.
I lost the hubcap. Holy, look at the fucking
Gotta trade it in.
nuts.
Wow, I think you did pretty good.
Time to buy new wheels,
Oh,
dude.
yeah.
No.
Hey, that was the rule we set last year. You lost the lug nut, you had to buy new wheels.
Perfect. I'll buy them from you.
Hubcap. There you go.
I'll buy them.
Wow, that's always the problem.
Woo!
Everybody had fun even with yard sailing everything. Including myself.
There was yard sales?
So first we'll do qualifier payout. AJ already got his for first and side-by-side.
All right, side by side. Third place is Nick Harmon.
So if you want to see videos, look out Dirt Dudes. They're going to have a
Check 'em
lot
out.
of footage of this. Zach didn't even race to get footage of you guys.
All right. Second place is Ryan Trim.
Those that don't know, Ryan started dead last with me and made it to second.
He was, flying.
About the hill, 5 people.
We were playing
what
bumper
happened
cars
down
for a
there?
while until I wasn't.
Some sort.
I wasn't.
Hard and mainly do it.
First place goes to Kyle Durham.
Heck yeah.
So that being said,
Does that mean me?
yes. So talentless guys are paying out $50 to who finished last and still finished, which was ironically me.
Yeah!
So conveniently for all of you guys, I said I didn't want their money, and we decided that now we get to buy more steaks and stuff for the next race. So thank you guys.
Yes!
And Jason completed a race for
I know! First race is 2019!
First lap since 2019.
How many females raced side by side today?
Three?
And
He
you all
said
come
female,
across
Melissa.
the finish line, right?
Yeah, you guys all finished too, right?
job.
Awesome!
Thank you to whoever tipped me over.
You rolled?
Yeah, she rolled it out.
I'm sorry you got stuck because of me.
So next race is July 31st. We're gonna make a few changes just for qualifying because that turned into a very long, unexpected. It still worked well, but was not as planned. Hence the late start. So I think everybody, unless somebody says different that's done this before, I think everybody liked this a lot better than that for
Yes.
Yeah.
everything in
agreed.
one spot, easy to watch, more spectator friendly, and like that's the thing we've been talking a ton about is trying to make this more spectator friendly. Because yes, we're traveling 8 miles, but at the same time, they're
It's a good
huge help putting
entertainment
this on, and they don't make monies off the racers as your envelopes show. So getting people here lets them let us do this. So next race is July 31st, I want to say.
Yep.
On that note, we are doing points also, which that'll all be on the website. I don't know it all off the tip of my tongue. It's somewhere in here, but cool thing with the new website is everything is there. Like every question we've been asked over the years is on that site, pretty good chance. So the point system's on there. All the points are real points all the way back till 10th place, and after that everyone is 1 point just for starting. And then qualifiers, top 4 of each class get extra points. So I want to say first qualifier gets 4, 3, 2, 1, and then I think first of the race gets 15, 12, 10, and then 1, and then goes down. So that'll all get updated sometime this week on the site. If anybody wants to see their real times, same thing we talked earlier, scan this or go to the website, and that has everything that we've been putting in all day. So you can literally see your lap time, your average time. It's all there. Bunch of cool data. If your times are embarrassing, it's okay. I would say mine are, but I had pretty good laps. But I don't know.
You had 3 good laps.
Hey! I want to thank RBOR, Jacob, Twisted Trails, all the volunteers.
Yes.
that
Yes.
make this happen. This is
Putting the work
Thank
in.
you!
very much.
Vince's fault. That was, where the hell is your shit? That's his fault.
That was a combination. All of it. I think that's it. I mean, anybody got questions, concerns, or whatever, come talk to me, I guess, after or whatever, but I think we're done.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
I'm gonna record. We'll go when we're ready.
I figured.
What do you think, Kyle?
Well, as you can see, they took first place for once.
Hell yeah, man! You were flying.
The old Turbo S, Terra hooks, aftermarket Assassin, System 3s. You see, I need some new hubcaps. I lost some of the Joker.
How did you tear up your lug nuts?
Dude, I don't know why they said you were the fastest one through there.
I don't know. I don't know.
We'll review the footage.
Yep, we'll review the footage.
Yeah, just qualified second row, made it through the first lap with all the dust, and did what I had to do. And then we got Jason over here.
Finally finished a race.
Built car.
Yep, got the car all back together. It ran awesome today. Absolutely awesome. Got the new Sandcraft turbo kit on it. I'll give a full review on that coming up, but amazing. The car ran great. Got all kinds of secret cool stuff to show you guys when we do a full build video on this, everything we did to it. But car was amazing. I started 15th. I finished 9th, I believe. So all in all, I was pretty pleased. First lap I finished since 2019.
Yes, sir.
So, yeah, all in all, it was a good day. I got out just before Kyle came in. They told me he was leading. I was super pumped. So, yeah, good day.
Yep. I think I had the fastest lap time too.
Yep,
the
you had
day.
the fastest lap. So, all in all, good time, guys. So, if you guys are around on the 31st, July 31st is the next RBOR race. I mean, if you want to try it, it's fun. Fern, come on.
Little shit was gonna take me out.
She just
No.
likes running.
Yeah, guys, if you ever thought about it, it's just a good time. You don't even have to be fast. Just come out, have a good time.
Yeah, just gotta be consistent. You'll finish.
Yep.
That's all it is to it.
Yep. Look everything up. I'm sure Kyle can throw a link in the description.
Absolutely.
You know, and as everybody else says, we appreciate you guys taking the time to watch the videos, likes and comments, subscriptions. We appreciate it, guys. I mean, we just do this for fun, but it's great if you guys get any enjoyment out of it. So, yeah. You got anything else?
I'm ready for some heartburn medicine, some ibuprofen.
And a nap.
Yeah, definitely nap, but hopefully we get loaded up before there's rain. So.
Yep. All right, guys. See ya.
Peace.